This is a part 2 of my last video, making slime part 1. Alright. So, I mixed in baking soda with the glue, and now I have to add some contact solution. So I have saline solution, and I have to add in 3 tablespoons, so I'm going to do that. Now I'm going to mix this all together, and I'm going to see if this turns out like slime. It's already, yeah, I think it's going to be good slime. I'm just going to keep mixing it off camera. Okay, so this slime came out like really well, which I'm really excited about because I'm so bad at making slime that doesn't come from a little kit, and this came out really well. So I'm gonna take it out and just play with it a little. One sec. The slime's like kind of wet from the contact solution, but it's okay. Alright, so watch. It's really clicky, which I like, because I tried to make clicky slime before. It failed. This works. And so, like, I can poke into it, which with the slime from the kits I have, it doesn't work when you poke into it. And it's really stretchy. Also, not stretchy, the slime from the kits. That's not stretchy, but this is like really stretchy. And I like that. Look at this. This is so cool. So it's my first slime that doesn't come from a kit that did not fail. And I'm really excited. So you can't see it on camera that well, but off, like in real life, you can see like the tiniest hint of green from the little bit of blue that I put in there. I'll like get actual food coloring next time, but this is really cool. I made slime. I'll definitely use this in some of my videos, like the babies playing with that. Oh, I have a great video idea. Well, it's like